Hey traders, how's it going? I hope everything is well with you guys. Damien here with another trading video. Today I want to show you guys one of the most common mistakes that traders make right after they enter the market. All right, so the first mistake that traders make is that as soon as they enter the market, they stay staring at their screen to see what it's gonna do. It's like a It's like you're depending on the next candlestick or the next two or three candlestick, right? Um, this can create you making bad decisions, right? Due to your emotions controlling your trades, right? Um, so you don't want to let this happen. Second mistake that I see on traders is that once the market starts going against them, right? So if they're buying and the market starts going a little bit high to their stop loss, they will extend it even more to not get stopped out. And that way it gives they want to give the market room to see if it reverses back into their favor. This is very dangerous. You can you can create a habit of doing this. And yeah, one or two times it could work, but the third time might not be so nice, and then you'll be stuck in so much drawdown, so much negative percentage of your balance that at this point it's very hard to even continue trading. The same thing goes when they are winning. So if they're winning, they would stand or take profit to gain even more, right? Um, and they fail to realize that it's just only one trade, right? They have to see it that there's many trades. The higher the number, the better. So you cannot think that just one trade is gonna make you the big gains. No, because if you keep doing this, then the market reverses. All of a sudden, what could have been a winning trade suddenly became a losing one because you let your greed take over. So all right, the third mistake I see is that traders their don't have their own decision making, right? So what do I mean? Is that they can enter the market, right? They enter the market, but then they start to hear from other people what they should have done, right? You should have done this, you should have done that, and then that can influence what they will do, right? So my advice is do not listen to them because they have their own strategy, their own plan. They see the market differently than you. And now, although they might want to help you, they're not really doing so because saying that they want to help you means that they know more than you do. They think they have an understanding of the market that gives them that helps them know exactly where it's gonna go, and that's not true in any trade, right? So you want to eliminate that. Fourth mistake is that traders that enter the market, they will get so confident on exposition that they would double their lot size. They would, or even enter on a second trade. This is fine for some people, depending on the strategy, but it's again emotional trading. Okay, you want to let the market play out. If you're gonna do so, if you're gonna enter two trades at the same time, both buying, you got to make sure you have a solid risk management, that you're not risking 5, 10% in any trade. It's 1 or 2% maximum. Okay, because you're thinking of that long term. So it's a marathon, not a sprint where you get tired at 5 minutes. It's another main mistake people make. Another one is their lack of analysis before they enter the trade. Come on, you have time to analyze a currency pair from top to down, right? From high time frame to lower time. You have time. Make sure you draw your, you gotta make sure you draw your lines, your whatever strategy you use, right? And then once everything fits to you, once you have your plan there, then you execute. But what traders do is that they enter, and right after doing so, they check on the market to see if if their analysis was really fitting. It's like uh, studying for a test before you, and the same. It's like studying for a test on the same day of the test. It's impossible unless you are a genius. All right. So take your time with these things. It's remember, it's real money. Okay. And if you avoid these mistakes, right, you are improving as a trader. You are becoming more disciplined, less less attached to whatever the market does, right? Attachment, it's a serious thing here in trading. You want to be as neutral as possible. Okay. All right. I hope you guys found this video useful. These are common mistakes that traders make when they enter the market. And and yeah, I hope you guys have a good one. Thank you.